Hi family, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious oatmeal muffins that I know will be the perfect addition to those early mornings because they are so quick and easy to prepare. And the best part is that you can make them ahead of time and have them in the fridge ready to go. Because I don't know about you, but in my house, our mornings are very hectic and I need something that's quick and easy to take with me. And these muffins fit the bill. They are not only delicious, but they're also vegan. So they're full of amazing ingredients. So if you want to see how I create these muffins, and our milk beverage, our almond milk, which is called an almond beverage, because I didn't want to use milk. Again, I wanted to make it as healthy as possible. So by using almond milk, this is the unsweetened almond milk actually, we save on a lot of calories. Now we can go ahead and add some of those other ingredients like our cinnamon, our salt, and some chai seeds. So this should be pretty healthy. I mean, the benefits of chai seeds are endless, so by adding those, you'll definitely get a nice little healthy kick in there and a boost of protein. Time for our oats and our baking powder. So I'm gonna start by pouring in our oats. And now we'll add our baking powder. Stir it all up and make sure everything is mixed together, and then you'll be ready to fill up those muffin pans. You'll want to fill up the baking cups a little bit over the halfway mark and make sure it's nice and centered. Once you have them all filled up, you can go ahead and grab some of your desired toppings. I'm going to be using raisins and chocolate chips. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some raisins and chocolate chips over the top of these. Now, these chocolate chips are the vegan chocolate chips that I showed you in the last video. So these are by Enjoy Life.